Okay, question number 4, 3 over x minus 5 over x minus 2. We can't use that neat problem where we just multiply by the lowest common denominator to get rid of the fractions because it's not an equation. It's not equal to anything. We just have to add these things. So we've got to figure out what the lowest common denominator is. And the lowest common denominator has all the factors of all the denominators. This denominator has just factor x. So that's this denominator. This denominator has two terms in it. It has, x minus 2. Okay, just a minute, sweetie. Okay, so our common factor has to have all the factors of all the denominators. So that's got to be x times x minus 2. So I'm going to rewrite this, except now they've got the new common denominators. So if we look at the first fraction, 3 over x, I want to rewrite that as 3 over x times x minus 2. So the way to do that is to multiply the top and the bottom by the x minus 2. You'll see that these x minus 2 cancels out and I'm left with just the 3x. So I had 5 over x minus 2, so I need to add an x on the top, a factor of x. So this looks odd. It's x times 5 instead of 5x, but it doesn't matter. The x over x cancels out, and I still have a 5x. So now I can add them. I've got x times x minus 2, and I'm going to distribute here. So I've got 3x minus 6, then minus, and I've got 5x. The last piece that I'll do is I'll just put my like terms together. So my denominator stays the same. 1 minute, sweetheart. It's negative 2x minus 6. And that's the answer.